What if you could own a piece of the companies driving the future? Tech giants like Tesla, Apple, and NVIDIA, all in one simple investment. Today, we're diving into QQQ, the ETF that could supercharge your portfolio and help you ride the wave of innovation. But is it right for you? Stick around because you don't want to miss this. QQQ is one of the most popular ETFs in the world. Managed by Invesco, it tracks the NASDAQ 100 index, which represents 100 of the largest non-financial companies on the NASDAQ stock exchange. Think tech, healthcare, and consumer innovation, all rolled into one powerful ETF. Unlike traditional ETFs like SPY, which tracks the S&P 500, QQQ is all about innovation. This means it's heavily concentrated in tech, consumer discretionary, and healthcare, sectors that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Over the past 2 decades, QQQ has consistently outperformed the broader market. Its focus on high-growth companies means it's delivered returns that often outpace the S&P 500. But remember, high rewards come with higher risks. When you invest in QQQ, you're getting exposure to some of the biggest innovators on the planet. Companies like Microsoft, Apple, NVIDIA, and Tesla make up a significant portion of its holdings. These aren't just companies, they're game changers. QQQ offers several key benefits: access to industry-leading innovators, diversification across 100 high-growth companies, and a proven track record of performance. For growth-oriented investors, it's a compelling option. Of course, no investment is without risk. QQQ's heavy reliance on technology and consumer sectors means it's more vulnerable to market swings and sector-specific downturns. Always weigh the potential risks before investing. Another reason for QQQ's popularity is its low expense ratio of 0.2%. While it's slightly higher than some broader ETFs, you're paying for access to the biggest innovators in the market. On top of its growth potential, QQQ also offers quarterly dividends, which can provide a small but steady stream of income for investors. It's the cherry on top of a high-growth strategy. So, is QQQ right for you? If you're passionate about tech, focused on long-term growth, and can handle some market volatility, this ETF could be an excellent addition to your portfolio. Just make sure it aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Here's a real-world example. If you had invested $1,000 in QQQ a decade ago, it would be worth over $4,500 today. While the past isn't always an indicator of the future, it's clear that innovation can pay off. Thanks for tuning in to Opportunity Odyssey. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more no-nonsense investing insights. Let's build your financial future together. As always, this video is for educational purposes only. Do your research or consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.